Hashtag Enterprise AI Adoption Trends long-form tutorial script. You're implementing AI in your enterprise completely backwards. And I'm about to show you exactly what the smartest companies are doing instead. Welcome back to TechNavigator Pro. I'm your guide to mastering enterprise technology, and today we're breaking down the AI adoption trends that are reshaping how Fortune 500 companies actually deploy artificial intelligence in 2025 and beyond. Here's the reality: most organizations treat AI like it's a single tool. It's not. It's an entire ecosystem. And according to the latest Gartner Enterprise AI survey from early 2025, 78% of companies are actively integrating AI into core operations, but only 23% are doing it strategically. The rest? They're moving too fast and breaking things. Let's start with the fundamental shift happening right now. 5 years ago, companies bet everything on one large language model. That era is officially over. What we're seeing in 2025, per McKinsey's latest AI research, is enterprise teams deploying 3 to 5 different AI models simultaneously. Think about that. Your marketing team might use Claude for copywriting. Your engineering team runs open source models on-premise for security. Your customer service operation leverages specialized models fine-tuned for your exact industry. This is the dashboard view you need to understand. When you log into enterprise AI platforms like Microsoft Azure OpenAI Service or Google Cloud's AI Studio, you're not seeing one model anymore. You're seeing a model selection interface. This is where strategic decisions happen. The practical benefit? Redundancy, cost optimization, and compliance. If one model provider has downtime, you're covered. If regulations require data to stay on-premise, you have that option. This isn't complexity for complexity's sake. This is resilience. Here's what shocked most enterprises: generative AI isn't about replacing workers. According to Forrester's 2025 State of Enterprise AI report, 67% of successful implementations focus on augmentation, making existing employees dramatically more productive. Look at how this actually works in practice. You're a financial analyst. Instead of spending 3 hours building a quarterly report from scratch, you prompt an AI assistant in your existing tools. We're talking Salesforce Einstein GPT or Workday's generative features right here. You describe what you need, and you get a first draft in 60 seconds. You then spend 30 minutes refining it. Net result? You just saved 2.5 hours. Multiply that across your team. This is why smart enterprises aren't asking, how do we replace people? They're asking, how do we redeploy people toward higher value work? If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post deep dive tech tutorials daily, and I guarantee you'll see something that changes how you work. Here's the uncomfortable truth that Gartner highlighted in their 2025 AI governance report: 84% of enterprises lack proper guardrails for AI usage. That means your employees are potentially using AI tools in ways that violate your data policies, IP protection, or compliance requirements, and you don't even know it. This is where the real action is happening. Companies are now implementing AI governance platforms. Think of it like the admin console in enterprise software. You're setting policies, monitoring usage, and creating approval workflows. Tools like Lacura, prompt injection defense, and native governance features in Claude for Enterprise are becoming non-negotiable infrastructure. When you open the settings icon in your AI governance dashboard, you're not just tweaking preferences. You're creating the rules of engagement. Can employees prompt external AI tools with customer data? No. Can they use AI for hiring decisions? Only with human review. Can they share code with AI assistants? Yes, but only internal repositories. These decisions cascade through your entire organization. According to IDC's 2025 Enterprise AI Workforce Report, companies report a 73% skills gap in AI implementation in management. You know what that means? Your teams don't know how to prompt effectively. They don't understand model limitations. They're not optimizing workflows because they lack foundational AI literacy. The winning companies are investing in 3 specific training areas. First, prompt engineering, teaching people how to actually communicate with AI systems effectively. Second, AI literacy, understanding what these models can and cannot do. Third, responsible AI usage, the ethics and governance layer. This isn't optional. Per recent documentation from major AI providers, enterprises without internal AI training programs are seeing 40% lower ROI on their AI investments. Here's the decision tree most enterprises get wrong. They assume cloud AI is always the answer. Wrong. What we're seeing in 2025, across multiple enterprise case studies and vendor documentation, is a hybrid approach. Sensitive operations, healthcare records, financial data, proprietary algorithms run on on-premise or private cloud deployments. We're talking open-source models like Llama 2 or Mistral, deployed on your own infrastructure. Lower sensitivity applications, marketing copy, basic customer service, document summarization live in the cloud. You get cost efficiency, easy updates, and scalability without compromising security. When you're setting up your deployment architecture, you're literally mapping this in platforms like Azure Hybrid Cloud or Google Cloud's on-premise solutions. You're not making a binary choice. You're architecting a system. Most companies measure AI success wrong. They count projects deployed. Successful enterprises measure outcome velocity, how much faster and better are business outcomes? According to McKinsey's 2025 AI Impact Research, high-performing organizations track 4 specific metrics: time to value reduction, cost per transaction improvements, quality metrics specific to your industry, and employee satisfaction with AI tools. That last one matters because resistance kills adoption. When you're building your measurement dashboard, and you should be, you're not looking at vanity metrics. You're building a scorecard that connects AI deployment directly to business outcomes. Here's what's happening right now in enterprise hiring. Companies aren't waiting for perfect AI specialists. They're upskilling existing talent. Per recent LinkedIn talent market data from 2025, enterprises are promoting data analysts into AI roles, moving software engineers into prompt engineering positions, and creating entirely new job categories we didn't have a name for 2 years ago. This changes everything about how you think about staffing. You don't necessarily need to recruit. You need to train and redeploy. First, start small and measure obsessively. Don't deploy AI across your entire organization. Pick one department, one process, measure everything, then scale what works. Second, make governance your first project, not your last. It's easier to relax restrictions than to implement them retroactively. Build the framework before you scale usage. Third, focus on the augmentation narrative internally. Employees embrace AI faster when they see it as a productivity tool, not a replacement. This messaging matters more than you think. Fourth, invest in change management. The technology is easy. The human adoption layer is hard. Budget for it accordingly. Enterprise AI adoption in 2025 isn't about having the coolest technology. It's about having the clearest strategy, the strongest governance, and the right team mindset. Here's what I want you to do this week: identify one business process that takes your team significant time. Sketch out how AI could augment that process. Not replace it. Augment it. Then build a small pilot project. That's your competitive advantage. Not being first to AI. Being intentional about AI. Remember, we help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. That applies whether you're deploying enterprise AI or learning any complex technology. Make sure you're subscribed. We post deep technical content daily that'll keep your skills sharp and your strategies sound. You've got this.